Hello, dear children. My name is Miss Grace. Welcome to Wings of Fire Academy. Today we are going to learn poem number 3 of class 4th. From English Balbharati textbook, unit number 1, poem number 3, Recess. So let's start.
रिसेस इसका मतलब है स्कूल में क्लास के बीच का मिला अवकाश या ब्रेक। सबसे पहले हम पोएम अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे। Recess. Girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there, with quiet air, groups of children walk about. A game begins, but no one wins, although they play with might and main. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. Poem explanation. During the recess, the girls and boys make a lot of noise. They run and jump and laugh and shout. Here and there, groups of children walk about quietly. Some of the children start playing a game. No one wins, although they play with all their strength. For long before the game can get over, the school bell rings and classes start again. क्लास के बीच में जब एक छोटा ब्रेक मिलता है तो उस अवकाश के दौरान लड़के और लड़कियां बहुत शोर करते हैं, दौड़ते हैं और कूदते हैं और हंसते हैं और चिल्लाते हैं। इधर उधर बच्चों के समूह चुपचाप घूमते रहते हैं। कुछ बच्चे खेल खेलना शुरू करते हैं। कोई भी नहीं जीतता है, हालांकि वे अपनी पूरी ताकत के साथ खेलते हैं। खेल खत्म होने से बहुत पहले स्कूल की घंटी बजती है और कक्षाएं फिर से शुरू होती हैं। इस पोएम में आए हुए हार्ड वर्ड के मीनिंग्स देखते हैं। Recess, it means the break between school classes. With quiet air, looking quiet. With might and main, with all their strength. Over, it means over. बच्चों, मुझे आशा है कि यह पोएम आपको समझ में आई होगी। अभी हम इस पोएम के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। Question number 1. Answer the following questions. 1. During the recess, what do the children in this poem do? Answer. During the recess, the girls and boys make a lot of noise. They run and jump and laugh and shout. Here and there, groups of children walk about quietly. Some of the children start playing a game. 2. Why does no one win? Answer. No one wins, because long before the game is over, the bell rings and classes begin again. Question number 2. What name or names are used for recess in your school? Answer. Break or lunch break. Question number 3. Pick out the rhyming words from the poem. Answer. Boys noise, shout about, their air, begins wins, main again, before over. Question number 4. How do you spend your recess? Describe it in 2 or 3 sentences. Answer. During the recess, I first eat my tiffin. Then I chat with my friends. If there is time, we play hide and seek or tell each other some jokes. आशा करती हूँ कि यह वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। अगर यह वीडियो आपको यूजफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। हम मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।